All right, let's be real for a second. When's the last time you actually opened your Gmail and didn't immediately feel overwhelmed? I'm talking about that moment when you see 47 unread emails and half of them are from that fitness app you downloaded 3 years ago during your New Year's resolution phase that lasted exactly 2 weeks. Well, Google just dropped a feature that's about to change everything about how you manage your email chaos. And honestly, it's about time. Look, we've all been there. You're scrolling through your inbox and it's like a graveyard of digital subscriptions. There's the newsletter from that cooking blog you subscribed to in 2019, promotional emails from that online store you bought one thing from, and somehow you're still getting updates about a software you don't even use anymore. And the worst part? Unsubscribing has been a nightmare. You click unsubscribe, get redirected to some sketchy website that asks for your blood type and social security number just to stop sending you emails about discounted socks. But that's all about to change because Gmail just rolled out something that's going to save your sanity and your inbox. Introducing Gmail's new Manage Subscriptions feature. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like, but so much better than you think. This isn't just another update that moves buttons around. This is a complete game changer. Gmail now has a unified subscription page that shows you every single subscription you have in one place. We're talking newsletters, promotions, those random app notifications, everything. And here's the beautiful part. You can unsubscribe from multiple subscriptions with just a tap. No more hunting through individual emails, no more getting redirected to suspicious websites. It's all right there in your Gmail navigation drawer. So here's how it works, and trust me, it's stupidly simple. First, you'll find the Manage Subscriptions option in your Gmail navigation drawer. That's the menu you pull out from the left side. It's hanging out near the bottom, just waiting to save your digital life. Once you tap it, boom, you get a complete list of every subscription that's been cluttering your inbox. And get this, if you're not sure whether you want to keep a subscription, you can actually tap on it to see all the recent messages from that sender. It's like a preview before you make the commitment to unsubscribe. For most subscriptions, it's literally one tap and you're done. Gmail uses something called one-click unsubscribe, which is exactly what it sounds like. But even if a sender doesn't support that, Gmail has your back with a block instead option. No more jumping through hoops, just to stop getting emails about things you don't care about. Now here's what you need to know about getting this feature. Google is rolling it out to Android, iOS, and web users right now, but like most Google updates, it's not going to hit everyone at once. You might need to wait up to 15 days for it to show up on your account. And honestly, 15 days is nothing compared to how long we've been waiting for this feature. Get this, Google has been teasing this for over a year. Users started seeing it pop up in Gmail last year, but it wasn't actually working. Then it disappeared, then it came back for testing with a small group. It's been like watching your favorite TV show get canceled and renewed 3 times. But you know what? It's finally here, and it's going to make such a difference. Think about all the time you'll save, not scrolling through promotional emails you don't want. Think about how much cleaner your inbox is going to be. Think about actually being able to find the emails that matter. So here's what I want you to do. Go check your Gmail right now. If you don't see the Manage Subscriptions option yet, don't worry, it's coming. But when it does show up, set aside like 10 minutes and just go through your subscriptions. Trust me, future you will thank present you. What's the weirdest subscription you found in your email? Drop it in the comments below. I guarantee some of you have subscriptions you completely forgot about. And if this video helped you declutter your digital life, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips that actually matter. Until next time, keep your inbox clean and your notifications cleaner.